one does. Can I take this one off? To activate motorized function, remove item from package. And, oh, they have it switched off so people don't burn it out. Switch located on the bottom of the vehicle to on position. Yeah, it must go up. You must have. Yeah. What do you need, huh, Jenny? Hey, you can slide that back in there. There you go. You want me to open this one? You know what this one is? Bulldozer, that's right.
Oh.
See, this is a roller. Front end loader. This is what Uncle Curtis drives. This is a whole backhoe. Hey, Jenny?